What's up everybody, it's your boy Monkey Man, and today I'm playing Subway Surf. But I'm going to show you something that is really weird. That it actually doesn't come up. So I'll go into the shop, I'll go. So see all of these, it's got a key, it's got a score booster, and it's got so on like money, anything. But these are not you can actually get more than these. I will show you. Look. So the chain key and the record thing are the other two things you can actually get. These are not all the things that you can get. Those two are the other things. Right, let's get into the video. Might just buy one because I feel like it. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful night or day, whatever time you're watching this at. And if you guys have any games you want me to play, then you can tell me in the comments below. Oh, I didn't buy anything. Also, you know, some friends that would like my videos or whatever, and you do have a YouTube account, or you know someone that does have one, you can tell them to come check my channel out, Monkey Man, or you can give a shout out or whatever, and then once you've done it, tell me in the comments below and I will give you a shout out. But it's up to you, no pressure. If you don't, that's fine, but it's up to you, because it's not like I could murder you. Not that I would anyways, because that would just be really sad, and then you can really die. Don't go around, if someone doesn't do something for you, don't just say, oh, I'm gonna kill you now, because I mean, if you say that to the wrong person, they might actually end up doing it to you. So yeah, just don't say it to anyone, especially saying that you're gonna kill them, because it could end up in 3 different ways: you going to jail, them actually hurting you, or you just get fined for threatening. Oh god. Oops, I just missed that. Need 3 more of those. Okay, we can do it. I need 3 more of those flowers. Come on, I can do this. Ow, that would have hurt in real life, especially. Brr. How does that happen? Like, what the? God. Oh, I don't like doubling money sometimes. I do, sometimes I don't. I don't know if you guys have actually noticed this, but see how it's got your numbers like on the where it shows your score when you're doing the run. Once you get a 5 in the third to last digit, the trains actually start moving. I don't know if you have noticed, but I've actually started to notice that when you get to the third to last one, that the trains start moving. How low-key savage, what the fuck? Why do the flowers have to be in like one of the worstest places where no one would actually... Really? I don't like the jetpacks for a couple of reasons. Because there's normally something better up ahead, but also there might be a save me key or whatever. It always happens to me. And it annoys me. Sometimes. Bruh. How the heck? Like, I thought I would have made that jump, but obviously not. I thought I was so savage. For a split second. See, told you. I'm at that 5. Now it's like getting moving train. No, I just got to it. I must be so savage. Do you notice that? Oh, I must be so savage to run into a train. And yet I can clearly see it. So don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and if you want you can like tell people to go check out my channel if you want, no pressure though. And then we all have our ways of doing things, and yeah. God damn it. On a board when I'm in midair. Okay, I have to get this. Yes, 2 more. Which that means I'm the best once I get 2 more. I don't actually like these trains in this for a weird reason. I don't know what that reason is, but yeah. And I also don't really like the jetpacks. All I like is the boards and a couple of other things. and I've got it. Yay! One more and I've got a 10. So I've gone to 25 to 20 to 10. How savage does I get? The hell? How savage do I get? I think I can go over savage. For some reason I think I've lost like you guys should go check out like all my other videos, because like I'm not actually like this. I'm normally more talkful, and like I know how to I don't know like what the word is. Oh, I think I've lost my confidence to like put videos up on YouTube, because I haven't been doing posting videos and that for quite a while. I mean, I don't. Yay! I got it. Weekly hunt complete. Yay! Yaddy. What the hell? Also, that might be another one. That's another one you can get in a mystery box. Wow, I was not expecting one of those to come up. Oh well. Oh well, see you guys in the next video. Smash a like and see you in the next video.